Oh, that's a good idea, car. Just, lady, yeah, that's just great. Just put your car in the other lane and block the other lane. She's all, damn it, I am turning right here, people. Why would you ever try and pull out of that street in Lynham? Oh, you bitch! Jesus, she just nearly had an accident. What a dumb cunt.
Where the f are you going?
Also Baumpfade is vlucht.
Okay.
Non-stop, he should know the rules a little bit better. And he should also be a little bit more generous when a public woman says, hey, I think you're cute, I'd like to go on a date with you. You know what he should have said? I should be so lucky. That's the only response that he should have given. Instead of saying, oh, Chelsea, she's so wild and crazy. We shouldn't make women feel, because they're outspoken, that they're wild or crazy.
Satan, hvad en idiot! Idioter, mand. Hvordan kan jeg komme bag på dem?